Welcome to TAO, your go-to podcast for the latest in tech and AI news. I'm Sarah, here to break down the big stories.
And I'm Mike, ready to dive in and ask all the questions you might have. What's first on the agenda today, Sarah?
We're kicking things off with Broadcom. They've just started shipping their new networking chip, the Tomahawk 6. It's a big deal because it doubles the performance of the previous model and is designed to boost AI applications significantly.
Doubling the performance sounds impressive. How does it manage that?
Well, it incorporates enhanced traffic control features and uses chiplet technology, which is a first for their Tomahawk line. Plus, it's manufactured using TSMC's 3nm process, which is cutting edge.
And what's the big picture here for AI data centers?
The Tomahawk 6 could connect over 100,000 GPUs, making it possible to build massive AI data centers. Broadcom is even thinking about million GPU facilities in the future.
That's mind-blowing. What's next on our list?
Next up is Character.AI. They've launched some exciting new multimedia features, including Avatar FX for video generation and scenes and streams for character-based videos.
So anyone can create videos now?
Yes, all users can create up to 5 videos daily by uploading photos and writing dialogues. Initially, Avatar FX was just for subscribers, but now it's open to everyone.
That's cool. But I've heard there were some issues with platform abuse in the past.
True, they've faced scrutiny, but they've implemented safeguards like blocking real people's photos and watermarking videos to address that.
Got it. Let's move on to the next topic.
Console is a startup that's making waves by automating routine IT help desk tasks using AI. They focus on tasks like password resets and app access.
How is Console different from other help desk solutions?
Their AI assistant integrates quickly with Slack, and it can be deployed across a company in just weeks without replacing existing help desks. It can handle over 50% of tasks independently.
That's efficient. And they've secured some funding, right?
Yes, they raised $6.2 million in seed funding from Thrive Capital and plan to expand their AI assistants into HR, finance, and legal support.
Exciting times for Console. What's next?
Cornelis Networks, an Intel spin-off, has launched a suite of networking hardware and software, including their CN5000 chips. These are designed to connect up to 500,000 AI chips.
That sounds like it could really help with data center bottlenecks.
Exactly. They're addressing the data supply bottleneck in large AI data centers, and their chips are compatible with various AI chip manufacturers, including NVIDIA and AMD.
So they're avoiding vendor lock-in.
That's right. They're also planning future Ethernet compatibility to maintain high performance and economic efficiency.
Very strategic. Let's see what's next.
Covasant Technologies, based in Hyderabad, has partnered with Botminds to help enterprises build and scale tailored, no-code intelligent agents.
What sectors are they targeting with this partnership?
They're focusing on sectors like healthcare, BFSI, and manufacturing. The idea is to enhance productivity and operational efficiency by delivering scalable AI solutions.
Sounds like a powerful collaboration. What's on the agenda now?
Creatify, an AI video ad platform, has just secured a $15.5 million Series A funding round. It's co-led by Jeffrey Katzenberg's venture fund, WndrCo.
That's a significant investment. What's their platform about?
Their AdMax platform uses AI to generate numerous video advertisements for social media marketing, analyzing high-performing campaigns on platforms like TikTok and Instagram.
AI and advertising is really taking off. What's next?
DeepSeek, a Chinese AI lab, is in the spotlight with their updated R1 reasoning model. There's speculation it was trained on data from Google's Gemini AI and possibly OpenAI's models.
That sounds controversial. Why the speculation?
Researchers noted similarities in word choice and internal thought processes. Plus, there have been past accusations of DeepSeek using distillation, training on outputs from more capable models.
So AI companies are stepping up security measures?
Yes, they're increasing security measures like ID verification and summarizing model traces to prevent such practices.
Interesting. Let's hear about the next topic.
Digg is making a comeback, led by its original founder Kevin Rose and Reddit co-founder Alexis Ohanian. They're focusing on fostering genuine human connection and community.
How are they planning to do that?
They're addressing the dead internet theory by using technologies like zero-knowledge proofs to verify human users. They also plan to compensate moderators and creators.
So it's about creating a more authentic online experience.
Exactly. They're using AI for moderation, but want to ensure it's a rewarding experience for users.
That's refreshing. What's next on our list?
Google's latest video generation model, VO3, is making waves. It can create background sounds like traffic and dialogue, which is unique compared to its rivals.
That sounds like a game changer. How does it work?
It allows video to be directly optimized via neural networks, enabling real-time tuning based on engagement. It's seen as pivotal in making video a core AI-to-human interface.
Fascinating. What's next?
Hexaware Technologies has partnered with Fixie.ai to enhance voice-powered enterprise operations. They're adopting Fixie's Ultravox real-time platform.
What's the goal of this partnership?
They aim to deliver faster, more natural voice-based customer experiences across various industries, especially during peak times and in multilingual contexts.
Sounds like a great step forward. What's next?
IBM has acquired Seek.AI, an AI platform for natural language queries of enterprise data. This acquisition will be a key component of IBM's watsonx AI labs in NYC.
So how does this fit into IBM's strategy?
It aligns with their goal to bolster enterprise AI offerings. watsonx AI Labs aims to foster AI solutions through collaboration with researchers and engineers.
Exciting developments. What's next on the list?
Microsoft has launched Bing Video Creator, which uses OpenAI's Sora model to generate short videos from text prompts. It's available globally except in China and Russia.
And it's free to use.
Yes, users can generate short 5-second videos for free, with 10 fast generations before requiring Microsoft Rewards points.
That's a contrast to Google's paid model. What's next?
OpenAI is launching a new phase of its AI for Impact Accelerator program in India, offering INR 1.28 crore in API credits to 11 nonprofits.
That's a substantial initiative. Why India?
India has become ChatGPT's largest user base, and OpenAI is exploring setting up a data center there. They're also offering data residency for enterprise customers.
India seems to be a key focus. What's next?
Palantir Technologies has outperformed the tech market this year, with its stock surging over 70%. This is thanks to its military-grade AI tools and strong defense ties.
So, government contracts are a big part of their growth?
Absolutely. Their growth is heavily reliant on U.S. government contracts, contributing to their high valuation.
Impressive. What's next?
Salesforce has brought on some team members from MoonHub, an AI startup specializing in talent acquisition and hiring.
How does this fit into Salesforce's strategy?
It aligns with their recent acquisition strategy aimed at strengthening AI capabilities, reflecting the growing trend of AI integration in HR processes.
Makes sense. What's next?
Snowflake is expanding its Cortex AI platform with SnowConvert AI for migrating legacy systems, Cortex SQL for SQL-based AI insights.
What value do they anticipate from these expansions?
They expect significant value from AI systems in production by 2025, emphasizing AI's role in operations like fraud detection and healthcare automation.
That's forward thinking. What's next?
Snowflake is TSMC, the world's largest contract chip maker, is dealing with the impact of U.S. tariffs, though AI chip demand remains strong.
How are they handling the tariffs?
They're actively communicating with the U.S. Department of Commerce as tariffs could increase production costs for their new U.S. factories.
A complex situation. What's next?
UiPath and HCL Tech have formed a strategic partnership to enable global businesses to automate operations using AI.
What areas are they focusing on?
They're enhancing efficiency across various departments, including finance, supply chain, and customer service, with ready-to-use AI tools.
That's a solid collaboration. What's next?
Whisperflow has launched an iOS keyboard app focusing on voice-to-text technology supporting over 100 languages.
How is it different from other apps?
It features a whisper mode and claims functionality in poor network conditions, offering a freemium model with a paid unlimited plan.
Handy features. What's next?
India's National Quantum Mission, approved in April 2023, has disbursed only a small portion of its budget so far.
Why the delay in disbursements?
Despite the slow start, India is fostering its quantum ecosystem with initiatives like ITSQ and a planned major quantum computer deployment.
A work in progress, then. What's next?
A YouGov survey across 17 markets shows global caution outweighs optimism regarding AI's expanding role in everyday life.
What are the key takeaways?
While 22% feel cautious, especially in Indonesia and Poland, 16% are optimistic, notably in Hong Kong, India, and the UAE.
Interesting insights. What's next?
The National Commission for Women in India has launched Yashoda.AI to enhance digital awareness and AI literacy among women.
What's the focus of this initiative?
It aims to equip women with skills in AI, cybersecurity, and digital safety, particularly in rural areas.
A valuable initiative. What's our last topic?
Lastly, despite elusive ROI in generative AI overall, software development stands out with code gen startups attracting massive valuations.
Why is software development different?
Companies like Cursor and Windsurf are enabling AI-assisted coding, but they face high operational costs and competition from big tech.
Sounds like a challenging but promising field.
Absolutely. And with that, we've covered all our topics for today.
Thanks for tuning in to TAO. We hope you enjoyed our deep dive into the latest in tech and AI.
Until next time, take care and stay curious.